Welcome to our exploration of the wonders of South Africa. This vibrant country is a treasure trove of stunning landscapes and rich cultural heritage, making it a must-visit destination for travelers around the globe. From the breathtaking vistas of Table Mountain to the vast savannas of Kruger National Park, South Africa offers a diverse array of natural beauty that captivates the senses. But it's not just the landscapes that make this country special. The cultural richness is equally compelling. With a blend of traditions, languages, and histories, South Africa is a melting pot of experiences waiting to be discovered. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through some of the most amazing places to visit, showcasing everything from bustling cities to serene coastlines. So buckle up and get ready to uncover the incredible attractions that make South Africa a unique and unforgettable destination. Table Mountain is not just an iconic landmark, it's a symbol of Cape Town and a natural wonder that draws visitors from around the world. This unique flat-topped mountain rises majestically above the city, offering breathtaking views that stretch as far as the eye can see. For adventure seekers, there are several hiking trails that cater to all skill levels, from the easy-going Platyclip Gorge to the more challenging India Venster. If you prefer a more leisurely experience, the Table Mountain Aerial Cableway provides a stunning ride to the summit, allowing you to soak in the panoramic vistas without breaking a sweat. Once at the top, you'll discover the incredible biodiversity of Table Mountain National Park, home to over 1,500 plant species, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. Keep an eye out for the playful dassies and various bird species that inhabit this remarkable ecosystem. A visit to Table Mountain is truly an unforgettable experience. Kruger National Park is one of Africa's largest game reserves, spanning over 7,500 square miles and playing a crucial role in wildlife conservation. Established in 1898, this iconic park is dedicated to preserving the diverse ecosystems and the incredible wildlife that call it home. Among its most famous inhabitants are the big five lions, leopards, elephants, rhinos, and buffalo. Spotting these majestic animals in their natural habitat is a bucket list experience for many travelers. But the park is also home to a variety of other unique species, including cheetahs, hippos, and over 500 bird species, making it a paradise for nature enthusiasts. Visitors to Kruger have a range of safari options to choose from, including self-drive adventures, guided game drives, and even walking safaris for a more immersive experience. Whether you're a seasoned wildlife photographer or a first-time visitor, Kruger National Park promises unforgettable encounters with nature and a deeper appreciation for South Africa. Welcome to the picturesque Cape Winelands, a region renowned for its stunning landscapes and charming towns that embody the essence of South Africa's wine culture. Nestled between majestic mountains, towns like Stellenbosch and Franschhoek offer a delightful blend of history, architecture, and vibrant energy. As you stroll through the tree-lined streets, you'll encounter beautifully preserved Cape Dutch buildings and a warm, inviting atmosphere. The Cape Winelands is not just about breathtaking views, it's also a haven for wine enthusiasts. Visitors can indulge in exceptional wine-tasting experiences at world-class vineyards, where you can savor exquisite wines paired with gourmet dining options that showcase the region's culinary talents. The rich cultural heritage of winemaking in the Cape dates back to the 17th century, with a legacy that continues to thrive today. Whether you're a connoisseur or a casual visitor, the Cape Winelands promises an unforgettable journey through South Africa's rich viticultural landscape. The Garden Route is a breathtaking stretch of coastline that showcases the stunning beauty of South Africa's diverse ecosystems. This scenic drive winds through lush forests, dramatic cliffs, and pristine beaches, offering travelers a feast for the eyes at every turn. Key stops along the route include the charming town of Knysna, famous for its lagoon and oysters, and Plettenberg Bay, known for its golden beaches and vibrant marine life. Don't miss Tsitsikamma National Park, where towering trees and rugged coastlines create a perfect backdrop for adventure. Outdoor enthusiasts will find plenty to do here, from hiking the famous Otter Trail to bungee jumping off the Bluekrans Bridge, one of the highest in the world. For those who prefer a more leisurely pace, whale watching during the migration season offers a magical experience. The garden route is a paradise for nature lovers and thrill seekers alike, making it a must-visit destination on your South African adventure. Robben Island holds profound historical significance as a symbol of the struggle against apartheid in South Africa. Once a notorious prison, it housed political prisoners, including the iconic Nelson Mandela, who spent 18 years of his life incarcerated here. The island's harsh conditions and the resilience of its inmates became a powerful testament to the fight for freedom and justice. Today, guided tours of Robben Island offer visitors a chance to learn about its rich history and the stories of those who endured imprisonment. Led by former inmates, these tours provide personal insights into the struggles faced during apartheid and the journey toward democracy. In recognition of its cultural and historical importance, Robben Island was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1999. This status not only honors its legacy, but also ensures that future generations understand the sacrifices made for freedom. A visit to Robben Island is both an educational experience and a poignant reminder of the resilience of the human spirit. Blyde River Canyon is a breathtaking natural wonder that showcases some of the most stunning landscapes in South Africa. Known for its dramatic cliffs and lush vegetation, this canyon is one of the largest in the world and offers a unique blend of beauty and biodiversity. As you explore the area, you'll encounter spectacular viewpoints like God's Window, where you can gaze out over the vast expanse of the Lowveld, and Bourke's Luck Potholes, a fascinating geological formation shaped by centuries of erosion. These viewpoints provide perfect photo opportunities and a chance to appreciate the canyon's grandeur. Outdoor enthusiasts will find plenty of activities to enjoy, including hiking trails that wind through the scenic terrain, offering varying levels of difficulty and stunning vistas along the way. For a different perspective, boat trips on the Blyde River allow visitors to experience the canyon's beauty from the water. Blyde River Canyon is... In this video, we've taken you on an incredible journey through the wonders of South Africa, highlighting its stunning landscapes and rich cultural heritage. From the iconic Table Mountain and the wildlife-rich Kruger National Park to the picturesque Cape Winelands and the breathtaking Garden Route, each destination offers unique experiences that showcase the country's diversity. We've also explored the historical significance of Robben Island and the dramatic beauty of Blyde River Canyon, emphasizing the importance of these sites in understanding South Africa's past and present. We encourage you to explore these amazing places for yourself and share your experiences with us. Your adventures can inspire others to discover the beauty of South Africa. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and check out our related content for more travel inspiration. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you on your next adventure.